Hey, what's up guys? So today we're doing another comparison video, and what we're going to be using is our new matte ReNew, which you saw the other day during the unboxing, and my all-time favorite, the Nonsense. Essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning this mat up and seeing which one does a better job. And to help us out, we've got our yellow stiff bristled drill brush or drill attachment, and also a microfiber towel to wipe off any of the excess residue. As you can see, we've got our taped off line already, so that way you can see the products clearly side by side. I'm going to switch you guys over to this camera down here, so that way you can see it all in action. All right, so here we have, again, matte ReNew is going to be on the left, and our Nonsense is going to be on the right-hand side. So both of these are both cleaners, and this one also is a protectant. So you guys know that I love using this Nonsense, and we've used it before on floor mats, and it did a great job. So what we're going to see is the matte ReNew better? So let's get started. We'll go ahead and start spraying a little of each one onto the surface and let that soak in for just a little bit. We'll put these off to the side, switch that around, and then we'll get our matte ReNew. So the Nonsense smells like an actual cleaner, and this matte ReNew is fruity, kind of grapey. So that gives it a nice new welcomed scent. All right, now it's time to use our drill brush attachment and get in here and clean off all this dirt and debris on the mat. And we actually have a little bit of this matte ReNew soaking in up here. So here's what we're gonna do real quick. We'll just go ahead and wipe that off. Try and get this tape to stick a little bit better. I'm gonna put you guys in time-lapse mode, so that way you don't have to watch me do this in real time. All right, see you here in a second. All right, so we just finished up, and as you can see, it looks like the matte ReNew does a little bit better job of kind of rejuvenating all that rubberized material. Let's see if we can get in here in a little bit more detail. Probably could have used a vacuum, but as you can see, like there's a little more, like, not spotting, but it looks a little more dry than all of this over here. Especially when we kind of do a heads up overview, like this gives it a nice glossy appearance, looks brand new, whereas over here it still looks fairly new, but not to the extent as the matte ReNew, which I'm guessing, and sorry for sweating so much again, guys, it is hot down here. I'm not even joking. I did not expect it to be as warm as it is. And also you can see I've got a nice new tan. My hair is turning real blonde now. But again, so here's the two products. In my opinion, both of them work very well for getting a mat clean. But as far as which one would I choose now, I would say the matte ReNew would be the one that I would go with. Mainly strictly because of the fact that, one, it smells a little bit better because it does have a nice scent as opposed to just smell like a normal cleaning product. And then also because it does give it that nice new finish that we just saw a second ago, as well as it's protecting it instead of just being a cleaner. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy this comparison and stay tuned for the next one. Okay, bye.